Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a quick video on how to install National Instruments Multisim if you are a student. So the first thing you have to do is just go to this link that's in the description. You're going to go here to get student download. Once you do that, if you go to your downloads folder, you'll get a zip folder. And then once you extract that, it should look something like this, and you'll get an auto run. So just click on that and then hit install. So from this point you can put in your name and your school, and then the next part is an important part. You put in your serial number that was provided to you by your university, and then you hit next. Then you're just going to put the directory where you want to install the program. Hit next. Here is you select all the features that you want for the program. For most purposes, you're probably just going to hit next here. Accept the license agreements, and then you're ready to install. So once that's done, you'll get the installation complete. Hit next, and then you just have to restart your computer. So once you're back into your desktop, you can just go to your start menu and type in Multisim. You'll get this licensing wizard and just hit activate. You'll need to be connected to the internet for this. Alright, it'll see the version of Multisim that you have, and then just type in that serial number again. After you type that in and hit activate, you'll get activation successful. Just hit next and launch. From this point, you should be good.